Hi folks, coming at you, Heather Pearce Campbell, the legal website warrior, attorney and legal coach based here in Seattle, Washington. I am doing this quick video from my car because it's the only quiet time I've had the last few hours. I just wanted to follow up briefly on yesterday's video. Wigged a few people out to hear about the actual statistics for litigation risk for small businesses in the US. So while I have a few people freaked out, I thought I would just freak you out a little bit more. I'm kidding, but not really. No, seriously though, my goal is to help people understand the real accurate business landscape in the US. And it's not to have people overly frightened. That's not it. I'm pro business. I'm a big supporter of business. I just know there's a way to do it right. And for people that with a little planning, a little implementation on the front end could save a lot of heartache, my goal is to get the right tools into the hands of those people, right? Because there are a lot of people out there that are pouring a ton of energy and content and time and heart into building your business. And so we need to protect it, and we need to protect it the right way. And we can't protect you from every risk, but my goal is to help protect people from the big risks, the main ones. And so I do that by providing information, by providing clients with strategies, by building some of the tools that my clients need. So if that's you, great. If not, then hopefully you can still benefit from some of the stuff that we talk about. But yesterday I mentioned that along with the other statistics, 60% of small businesses in the US face a significant legal risk at least once every 2 years. And I said that I would follow up today to talk a little bit about what those other legal risks are. We talked yesterday about litigation, and specifically the risk of litigation for small businesses in the United States, with a huge portion of those lawsuits involving contract claims. 60% of the lawsuits filed against small businesses involve contracts in some way. Failure of contracts, failure to deliver, misunderstandings about the terms of the agreement, whatever, whole bunch of different contract issues. Other significant legal events that we need to discuss that are the things that happen to businesses at least once every 2 years. And raise your hand if you've had to deal with any of this. There are going to be some of you out there that recognize these issues. I'm just going to go through the list quickly. Debt collection, internet security breaches. As a quick aside, do you know how many small businesses suffered internet security breaches or data breaches last year? And you may or may not know about it, but approximately 50%, 40 to 50% of small businesses suffered some kind of data breach or internet security breach. And do you know that the average time that it takes to actually learn of a breach? You'll be shocked. 418 days. So you can go along doing your business for a year or more and have somebody online and through your computer tracking you and capturing data and not even know it. So it's kind of frightening. We'll have more content coming on that topic alone. So debt collection, internet security breach, data theft, employee theft, that's a big one. We'll talk about that in more detail. Document review, contractor supplier disputes, threat of consumer lawsuits. That again would be encapsulated in the statistics yesterday. Employee confidentiality issues, tax audits, intellectual property infringement, product liability, insurance disputes. So you can see that's a quick run through of the main topics on the list, but I do want people to start to wrap their minds around what brings risk into their business so that we can talk about how to put stopgaps in place for the main ones, for the big ones. Anyhow, again, my goal is not to freak people out. It's to provide information so that you can make the best decisions possible in your business. That's my goal. So stay tuned. I'll be coming at you with a lot more information over the coming days. Heather signing off. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.